If you're doing general maths right now, you've probably got a SAT coming up very, very soon. So what does that mean for you? How should you prepare best for this next SAT to make sure that you get the highest score possible? Firstly, you do not want to make this mistake of going through your summary book and writing too much information in there. Because it's the same thing for methods and spec. These kids are better at knowing that the summary book is not this all-solving, all-perfect tool that'll help you get 100% in every exam. It's simply not true. So the summary book, if anything, should just be a little bit of a bonus or should be slight amounts of revision. But the most important thing is to do those practice questions. If you don't do those practice questions, you're going to miss out on those intricacies, on those genuinely difficult questions that are what's going to trip you up. Because you can spend 10 more hours on your summary book, but you still won't figure out how to do these 1 or 2 questions on the general maths SAC that are designed there to trick you and designed to trick those methods and spec students as well. So you got to use your advantage of only preparing for general maths and prepare for it as hard as possible. Spam out those practice questions. Really get used to using the CAS. You want to make that CAS like muscle memory. Methods and spec students don't get to use the CAS 24/7. So you really need to understand your CAS inside and out. Understand every button in that financial solver and understand all the implications. When is interest counted? How should you count interest? What time periods are the ones that actually matter? How do you do deseasonalization? All of these things are incredibly important.